Here's this potentially 1970s Whirlpool central air conditioner. Not really a whole lot of legibility on the data sheet, but this is, like I said, probably, I want to say late 70s, early 80s. Or maybe I could get the specs if I show it at an angle. I'll try to take a picture of it after I'm done recording, but of course it hasn't been running, otherwise I would try for a startup. And this is, I guess this is the electrical stuff. It almost looks like that PVC drain pan or drain pipe, like that one right there. Coil's a little beaten up, but what am I gonna expect from a 40-plus-year-old unit? Great condition for its age, either way. Though that pad is starting to chip away a little bit on that corner there. But yeah, I figured I'd re-record this unit with better quality. I haven't recorded it since 2018, October 2018, so there you have it. That'll be it.